Hey guys, what's happening? Today, we're tucking into some Northwoods by J.M. Boswells, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the deck. Got Mr. Carl out here with me today. Miss Lila's rolling around back there. It is the end of October, an extremely fall day. Spent today tackling some leaves, but I wanted to get this video out and I wanted to talk about J.M. Boswell's Northwoods. And this, for me, was a really, I don't know, I haven't been smoking a pipe that long, a few years. And you hear about blends that some of the older guys talk about that, you know, they were the greatest that were out there. For me, Frogmortons, all the Frogmortons, I hear about Frogmortons. And there are some out there you can probably find, but I'm going to be honest, I'm not going to pay that for it. And I mean, if somebody offered me a bowl, I would definitely try it. But everybody talks about this Northwoods was a good replacement for a Frogmorton cellar, I do believe. And so I was real excited when this came up with Blend Club. And I've been waiting. I didn't pre-smoke for the month, but I've been waiting. I've been smoking on this all month, and it's a really good blend. Let's get into it a little bit. Here's Lila. And once again, this is going along with Mutton Chop Piper's Blend Club. This was the blend for October. So we only have 2 months left, guys. And Blend Club will be over for the year. I'm real excited to see what Mutton Chop comes up with for next year. I'm gonna assume he's gonna announce that soon so we can all start getting our blends. So we have January's blend on hand. Oh, what a day. What a leafy day. And a lot of leaves. Anyway, I am smoking some Northwoods out of my J.M. Boswell's, a large billiard. And wonderful pipe. It smokes great. It's thick. It smokes cool. I got the whole Boswell setup right now. I did get a new lighter, just to let you know. Oh, a pipe lighter. I'm pretty happy about that. Not that I don't want to talk about myself too much in one of my videos. Anyway, let's get into it. First off, I did do my false light, my char light. I got it going. I'm going to light this up, and I have my book with my notes, and we'll get into it. On a beautiful fall day like it is right now, it's evening, sun's going down behind my back. There's Malou, there's Lila, and Mr. Carl. My wife's out for the day. She's at a wine festival, so Carl is missing Mom. So he will sit out there and wait until she comes back. On with the review. I said review. Cut that. Get it out of your mind. This is my take. This is Noah's take. Because like I said before, the reviews, who am I to give you a review? This is just my take on how I feel about the blend. Blend Club for October, J.M. Boswell's Northwoods. I bought 2 ounces at $5.35 per ounce, plus shipping, plus handling. And if you live in Pennsylvania, like I've been saying, you got to pay the excise tax. Color is mostly dark black, got some medium browns, cut as a ribbon, moisture when it arrived, perfect. Don't know how Boswell's does it, but each one of the blends I've smoked this year from them, and I buy 3 months at a time. I didn't buy all 12 months at one time. I buy 3 months, and in that last month I'll do the order for the next 3 months for Blend Club, and all of the blends arrive perfect. Tin note, and this is what I got. Tin note, bag note, whatever you want to call it. Oh, look at the sun coming back there. I said I got a chocolate note. It was sweet, it was milky, it was not very bold though. I just smoked a lot of Railroad Station, and I really like that blend. And the way everybody was talking about this blend, I was thinking it was going to smell a little bolder. It was going to be a little smokier, but it wasn't, and that's fine. Charlight, it was sweet. I got some chocolate. I got some cocoa notes. I said it really wasn't what I expected, and that's the absolute truth. I was expecting something completely different. I'm not saying it was bad. I was just, in my mind, I built it up and was thinking it was going to be something different. Ooh. Got some squirrels running around out back. So here we go. I first smoked this on 925. That little ray of sun coming down. Hopefully that doesn't mess up the video. My first impression is not at all what I was expecting. To me, it was very mellow, had a strong Cavendish flavor. The retrohale had a retrohale had a little bit of burn to me, but I smoothed in. I was getting a cocoa flavor, and I don't mean chocolate. I mean like cocoa. When you buy those old Hershey cans of cocoa you put in your cookies and stuff. And I was getting that in the background. But a slight bit of tongue bite. I did smoke this in the afternoon. It was cool out. I was drinking a IPA beer. I had my teeth in, and I was smoking it out of my Boswell's large billiard. Oh yeah, for the record, I don't have my teeth in today because I broke one of the teeth on my partial and had to send it out to get repaired. Hopefully I get it back this week. Halfway down, and it has smoothed out for me. It was very mellow. I said, it's getting really good. I will say, this is a blend I have built up in my mind. They say it is a Frog-Morton match. But, having never smoked the former Frog-Morton, I don't know. But it is good, and the further down I get, the more I like it. I thought this blend started off one way, and it really smoothed in good down toward the middle and the bottom. Another day I was smoking it out of my Blakemore large billiard, which is probably my favorite pipe that I smoke. It's broken in the most. It smokes great. I said, this blend is much more mellow than I expected. I said it was very good in the evening. I would love to try it in the morning with a cup of coffee. I keep saying it, but it is so smooth and mellow. It could be an all-day smoker. It burns so cool. Much more spice at the bottom of the bowl. I think in my first notes where I was getting a little bit of burn on the retrohale and a little bit of tongue bite, I think it was just me. I think I was just puffing too hard, too fast in the beginning. I was very excited to smoke it. Maybe that was the reason why. I said the more I smoke this blend, the more I enjoy it. It's very good, and we'll need to keep this blend on hand at all times. Now when I'm normally smoking it, I can get through on a match. 2 matches. But since I'm talking, it's kind of going out. I smoked some out of my Nording freehand, and I said I hadn't smoked this pipe in a while, and it was a great smoke out of this pipe. Such a subtle sweetness to me, and a great aftertaste. The balance of this tobacco was awesome. No one tobacco flavor was taken over. Everybody was together and just cruising down the rail for me. All the components meshed together perfectly. I have read that this blend is a close replacement for Frog-Morton Cellar. But once again, never smoked Frog-Morton Cellar, so I can't compare. But this blend is very good. And then I was smoking some out of my Ohio Briar large billiard. And I said this blend is great. It is smooth, and once again, it is so mellow. It has a great flavor. I will always have this on hand. And to me, it is 4 matchsticks. And that's out of 4. This is a blend this is a keeper. This is a blend that I want to always have on hand, which I'm planning on. You can buy it in bulk from Boswells, and I'm planning on buying a good bit, jarring it up, letting it sit, because, as I was saying, I'm really curious what this is going to be like with some age on it. How is it going to change? How is it gonna mellow more? Is a little bit more sweet gonna come out? But like I said, 4 matchsticks for this guy because I think it was awesome. There's Mr. Carl. Where'd he go? There he is. What's up, Carl? Oh, you know what I didn't check? We're still green. We're still good. I will say, really digging my new lighter, by the way. That all the hype behind this blend, I think, is well deserved. I think this is a great blend, and it's running up there as one of the top Boswell's blends. Like I said, I do want to cellar some. If there's anybody out there watching that has cellared some, shoot me a comment. Let me know if it got exponentially better with age, or did it just mellow it out a little bit. But oh, it's lovely. It's so mellow. It's so smooth. There's nothing that I can really... I can't pick out pretty much anything I don't like about it. Other than that first day, but like I said, I think I was just too hyped up and I was chugging along on that sucker. But for me, I want to get some more jars of this. I want to get it jarred up. I want it to sit in my cellar, but I always want to have a couple ounces to smoke because I really like this blend. Well, I want to keep these takes short. I want to keep them sweet. And if you get a chance, check out Mutton Chop Piper and his reviews. And I'm sure we're all going to be excited to see what next year's blend club is going to be. And get yourself some Northwoods and run it through this pace, smoke it in some different pipes. And shoot me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Well, hey, I'm going to leave Mutton Chop's link down below. I'm going to leave Boswell's link down below. And please like, subscribe, share the videos around. Even after the Mutton Chop Blend Club series is over, I got a lot more blends in mind and different things I've been thinking about doing. And everybody who subscribed, thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the comments, the good, the bad, and otherwise. But hey, thanks for watching. Bye for now.